Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a robin eggs no churn ice cream. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 3 cups of heavy cream or heavy whipping cream. I'm using heavy whipping cream. 2 14-ounce cans of sweetened condensed milk. 2 cups of the little robin eggs here. So I used 4 of these total. And I had a little bit extra because you need 2 cups here, which I crushed with my nutribullet. They do not have to be this crushed. I wish mine weren't that crushed, actually. So, and then you need just a couple handfuls for the topping. So those I crushed in a Ziploc bag with, I just pretty much beat them with a rolling pin. So I think this is what I would rather these look like. But either way, it will work. I'm sure it's going to still taste delicious. And then you need a loaf pan. So I have a 9x5 loaf pan right here. So first, let's go ahead and get started. We are going to beat this heavy cream until soft peaks form. All right, my heavy whipping cream is ready to add my sweetened condensed milk to. You can really just feel it start to thicken and pull, just expand. It just really gets bigger and it pulls away from the blender a little, but you don't want stiff peaks. So now we're going to just pour our 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk, and this took me about 5 minutes for mine to reach this consistency at medium and low speeds. Okay, I poured my 2 cans of condensed milk into the whipped cream and folded it very carefully. You really want to try not to deflate the cream. So next we are going to fold in our crushed robin eggs. All right, that looks great to me, so I am going to go ahead and pour this into my loaf pan. All right, my loaf pan is like overflowing and I still have this much left. So I'm going to find another pan to put this in so it doesn't go to waste. So next we can just put on our crushed robin eggs on top. All right, my robin's egg ice cream is poured into my pans and I put my little crushed robin eggs on top. So I'm going to cover these with plastic wrap and they're going to go into the freezer for at least 4 hours up to overnight. All right, my ice cream has been frozen overnight and is ready to have a taste from Taste Tester. So I'm going to put his in an ice cream cone and see what he thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. There's nothing wrong. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Happy Easter.